During our younger years, our face looks plump due to the even distribution of fat around them. This plumpness diminishes as one ages, resulting in downward shift of our facial features. The formerly smooth and tight skin starts to get loose and eventually sags. The lower half of the face more often gains fat, making it look baggy and saggy around the chin and neck area. Mature skin also dries out quickly, which could result in facial lines and wrinkles. Skin also gets more sensitive to the sun's UV rays, increasing pigmentation. With the changes going on, our skin is more prone to sensitivities. We notice our skin reacting to care products it used to like. So it is crucial to observe because it quickly loses moisture and does not produce oil as much as it does. It needs to be gently moisturized. Aging is something we need to celebrate because it is a blessing. And although we cannot turn back time, it is never too late to start any skincare regimen that supports and nourishes the unique needs of our skin during these times. Join me as I make my face serum for, well, what else? Mature skin. The ingredients here are known to revitalize and nourish the skin. First, I have my special blend of essential oils. This is comprised of lavender. I also added helichrysum, geranium, clary sage, ilang-ilang, and elemi. These are the different essential oils I placed in my blend. I also used black cumin oil. In this face serum, we also have grapeseed oil, argan oil, golden jojoba oil, and vitamin E. This 50 ml amber glass spray bottle will serve as my face serum container. First, add 40 to 45 drops of the essential oil blend. This will comprise approximately 4 to 5% of the serum. Since this is the first time I am using black cumin oil, I will measure it so I can note if my skin will react to it. Here, I am adding 2.5 grams of black cumin oil. For the remaining space in my 50 ml glass bottle, I will divide it between the 3 remaining carrier oils. At this point, I'm going to eyeball this. 20% will be grapeseed oil, 30% will be argan oil, and the remaining half of the space will be for the jojoba oil. Lastly, I added 5 drops of vitamin E. Gently shake to mix. Allow a day for all the ingredients to synergize before using. And of course, don't forget to label the container. Now it's time for a test of this serum. Here, I will try this into my hands. I can immediately feel my skin getting the benefits of this serum. See how my skin glowed? Oh, I cannot wait to try this on my face. To use this serum, Apply 2 to 3 drops onto fingertips and massage all over a clean face and neck. As with my other serums, I intend to use this also as a primer. After applying in the morning, I wait for a few minutes to allow the serum to be absorbed before I apply makeup. At night, this will serve as my night serum and moisturizer. There you have it, face serum for mature skin. See you in my next formulations. This is Reese. Be safe and be blessed. Bye.